Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Technology Transforming. And as you are aware, we started this series on lockdown, and we did lot of wonderful videos for you. And if you are new here, you just visit to in video section in our channel page. Then you will find lot of useful videos available. Our videos are available in Hindi and English, both the languages. Basic computer operation, MS Paint, 3D Paint, MS Word, MS Excel, and we already completed MS Excel 14 part, and our last video was Formula tab part 1 we already covered. And if you did not watch that video, you can watch that video. So we'll start with today's session. So let's go to our screen and we'll show you. So insert function, auto sum, recent financial, we already did it. If you did not see that video, you just see that how we can calculate our loans and other thing. Logic we already did it. We false condition, if condition, true conditions, we already done something. If you did not also watch, you can see our these videos where we already explain many things to you. Now we'll do today's text. So basically text, we have clean function. I put something format into this, I put bold and highlight and everything. So what I do, I put here clean, and I just simply put this text, and it will give me output as a today as this thing. Then we have upper case. Suppose this I make as this thing, so you put here formula as upper and then put this thing, then it will show you everything in. Then we have lower, so lower function, then we'll put here this text and it will give you in a small. Then proper, because I put some different s and n and ay I put in different this thing. So whatever one word it has to be, it will come as proper. So we'll put proper, and then we'll go put here text and enter. Then we have right, so we'll put formula here right, and then we'll put, so how many character you want, you can put like 3. So it will come last 3, means from right side it 3 letters. Okay, then we have left, and we'll put character, and then how much, we'll put 4. So it will come 4. So this is all about text. Here many things are there. Here find lot of things you can put, you can use these, and this is will be different thing. Then we have day and time. So I put at like this date, we can put even today date, but then you will not get the formula of this today. So I can get it like day, so I put just here day, and this I will put. So it will tell you what is the day today. Day is 10. Then month, and we'll put here so this is the month. Then year, so all the formula will put year, and this is the year. Then today, you just simply put today, and then bracket open and bracket close. So it will show you the date. Now it will tell you with the time. So if you put this sorry, we have to put is equal to now, so it will give you day with the time. So this all about time and date. Again, you can try many other things what is there, so nowadays you can put lot of formulas out there. So I shown you some of, you can choose other thing. Then we have look and references. Look and references, we already did it. If you remember, we put hyperlink, we put VLOOKUP, we put lookup, we put match. So I think you come to know we already put all those things, so you can use these formulas again. Then maths, basically, so maths I have taken also some, but maths is also again use formula. So I took something here log you can get it, power you can get it, lot of formulas are there. So round off will show you some formulas. Okay, so ABS, basically what ABS do, right now this some value I put in minus, so it will correct in the automatically plus. So ABS I will put, and I will put serial number and bracket close, then I drag it out. You see the formula has already gone. Then we'll find even number and odd number. Then if you click in this, it will get it's easy. You just put one formula and dragging. If you have many numbers, then it will give you all the count or whatever it is, whatever you want to do. So it will give you all the even form basically. So it's, suppose if you have some odd number, it will give you next value of that. So here we have 23, and if you want even for that, so it will give us 24. Then same way we have odd, so formula odd, then we will this, then this will be tell one more plus one more value. Then power, for power I will put here 2 and 3. Then I will tell power of this, what is the power of 20. So I will put power, so okay, so number is this, and power value will be this, right? So it's 400. 20 into 20 is 400. Then we'll put again power, one value, then this. So 20 into 20 into 20, what will be the value? 8000. So we can calculate based on these features. So we can use these mathematical calculations with the this formula tab. Then we have round up. Basically it is my favorite. So round up, suppose you have value of 5999.52, and it I want as round figure. So what I will do, I will just do round up this value, and I will put comma 0 and bracket close. What some other value took z, I want this. Okay, yeah, so 6000. So it will help us in terms of give the round up value, and it's a beautiful formula where we have lot of calculation, we are lot of given to the somebody else. So it's good thing to know. Then we have this define name. So define name, again we can define our formulas here. So I am putting some I think maths we cover. Then more functions are there. Before starting this, the more functions are there. So generally everybody knows computer did not understand our language. It understand its binary. It will convert our language into binary series, and then it will give us output. So what is the binary? So if we want to know what is the binary of this 25, so what we'll put here decimal to binary. Okay, and you just put bracket number and close. So it will give you binary system. So all the software and algorithm people knows about this. Maybe now these days it's teaching in the schools. So small kids also understand what is the binary things. So you can calculate binary on this. Suppose you are sending some letter, some memos or something to somebody email, and that is password protected, and you are sending to in the binary the code, and the guy will convert into the binary system into decimal. So he will put here binary, then to decimal, bracket this and bracket close. So it will give us, it will convert our this thing. Okay, so it's easy. Basically you have to understand the concept. Then as I said many times, the computer is just doing our work easy, so we have to use this. How we can use this is up to us. Then we have here two formula is text and is blank. So where it blank it show result true, and where it's text it will show it's text. Okay, so I will show here the formula is text and I will give you the value. Okay, so it is saying true where it's text it's so true, where it's number plus it's so true, it's true. Okay, and where it's blank it is saying false. Instead of this, once if I put formula of is blank, so what is the value thing? So it is here like this. So where is the blank it is show true, rest is false. So we can use this smartly. Then we have this define names. Define name basically what we will put some value 25 and then rest you will put here 30, 50, 60. Okay, so this is there, and then we'll put same copy and paste here. Then we will put additionally here like that. If you want to now okay, before this putting I have to add something. So what I will do, I will go define name and I will put here ABC. Okay, once I will put ABC is okay, and this I will put CDE. So this we create as a formula. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll do sum bracket ABC here. So it's coming ABC and bracket close. So it is automatically taking the formulas from here. Otherwise what we will do, we will do sum just close and then here use formula CDE whatever we created. So it will give you us the formula. So basically it is easy to our work, and we can do our work. So basically this is that you can calculate both of them also together. Then name manager basically comes. So name manager is whatever we create, we can edit, we can make new, we can delete. If I delete this, see this will be what will happen. It's okay, close. See the formula is it's not there now. So this is use of that. Then we have formula audit. What is the formula audit? Okay, basically I put some calculation here. This is it's formula sum. So if I put trace, so what will happen, it is showing rectangle of this. Okay, and then it is showing arrow is showing here. I will put just remove audio, and I put same formula but I put add. So it show 3 arrows. What is the value in this? Okay, suppose you want remove and you want to trace this 28 or 26. It's going to somewhere where, so it is going, one is here, one is here, and one is this. So this is what we will see. This is basically average we have taken. So this way we can to just take this, then show formula. Okay, show formula I will take on this sheet. So once you click, basically if you go to, I explain maybe formula bar, what is the formula bar here. So if I put show formula, it will show all the formulas. What is the formula? Okay, all the formula it will show us. So we will not. Okay, now this error checking is what? Basically error checking is nothing but if you're showing it's green is here. So basically Excel is works on the series. So if this suppose D2 H4, but it is taking one more value is there, C4. Once you put C4 here, then the this will gone. So basically it's error checking. So what we'll do, we'll ignore, next, ignore. So whatever value, next, ignore. So it will ignoring all the values. Okay, so basically it is correcting the things. Then we have here, suppose this 338. So we want to check this is correct or not. So what is saying, it is saying sum D4 to H4, sum whatever it's saying here, and value is 338. It means we are just checking double. Okay, then we have watch window. Watch window is nothing, you just add window, and here you can put from here to here. Okay, add, yes, it is show you detail of this, what is the window things, what the formula, how the formula, in what so it will show you all those things. So I hope you understanding. Then we have here this calculates options. Calculate option is basically automatic, manual or whatever it is. So if I change here value, so I put 50, the value is here is changing. I put 10, the value is changing. Okay, so I will put this as manual and I change or delete this value, so it is not changing. Once what you have to do, you have to calculate now, then it is changing. Okay, so if you want to giving your seat to somebody else, then you can change this automatic to manual, so nobody can change the formula. Then total value can't be changed. So once it is there, so it will be easy for you. Then calculate seat is same like calculate now, and calculate if something is missing in the seat, it can calculate. So I hope you understand and you got all the information whatever it is. So to our this tab is also clear. Now we'll meet on next session. If you new here and if you like our video, you just subscribe our channel and just share with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. We'll meet you next.